guys, in this video I will show you how to properly do a barbell row, and I will throw in tips for a beginner, how they should get started with the barbell row. So this exercise is a compound movement for your back, meaning you are going to be using your whole body to perform this exercise. First, to get started, as you walk towards the bar, make sure the bar is as close towards your body as possible. Okay, so before we pick up the bar, make sure you are pushing through these 3 points of your foot, mainly the heel for this exercise. First thing to get started is you're going to retract your scapula, grab the bar, take a couple steps back. Keep in mind to keep the bar as close as you can towards your body the whole time. The further out it goes, the more stress you're gonna put towards your lower back. Okay, so the bar is touching your legs, you have the scapula retracted, and you're pushing down through your feet. Now what you're gonna do is slowly push your hips towards the back of the room. That's gonna cause you to hinge, not down. So then keep hinging until the bar reaches your knees, or at least close to your knees. As you hinge, you're gonna feel all that weight transfer into your hamstrings. Your hamstrings is what is basically keeping you in position, so make sure you are pushing through your feet the whole time, mainly the heel. Also, you will know that you are in the correct position if your shoulders are staying above your knees and ankles and not in front of them. Now that we are in position, in order to get started, you're gonna protract your scapula, letting your lats stretch while staying in control. Then you're gonna retract and pull towards your belly button. Slowly come back down, protract, retract, pull. Slowly come back down, protract, retract, pull. Always remember to stay tight. Keep the bar close to your body. If you need to, you can let it slide down your quads each time you go down and pick it back up towards your belly button and then slide it back down on your quads if you need to. Now for my beginners, I have 2 tips for you guys. If you are trying to perform the barbell row, I would recommend you to start on the Smith machine. The Smith machine will help you get in the correct position, learn the correct form to perform the exercise. My second tip for you would be, don't worry about the protraction part of the exercise. Keep your scapula retracted throughout the whole set. Go as low as you can and come back up. You don't need to release your scapula at any time. Keep it retracted, learn the form, get better at lifting the weight, and then as you level up, you can start protracting your scapula, feeling that stretch, making sure you are in control, then retract, pull, slowly release, protract, retract, and pull. Now here's a bonus tip. If you're having a hard time feeling your lats contract, even though you've tried the barbell row, you've passed up the Smith machine, what you can try is performing the row with some dumbbells. Therefore, each lat will be pulling its own weight. Maybe then you will feel a better contraction. And if you're still having a hard time feeling your lats, in most of your back workouts, you can always use the hook grip instead of a complete grip. The hook grip, which I recommend in most of the back exercises, this will help you feel a bigger contraction in your lats. The same principles apply to the dumbbell row as it applies to the barbell row and the Smith row. You're gonna push through your feet, you're gonna hinge back, you're gonna make sure you're keeping a tight form, dumbbells as close to the body as possible the whole time. Remember to protract, retract, pull, slowly back down, protract, retract, pull. And then just keep repeating until you get all your reps. I hope this video helped y'all out. Please leave a like below. If there is an exercise you want me to cover, comment down below or hit me up on Instagram and I'll make sure to cover that exercise for you. I appreciate y'all. Till next time. If you're still struggling with this exercise, make sure to check out this video, man. Peace.